Welcome to Learnomany podcast. Today's podcast we can listen to about 5 insider secrets of successful coaches. What do successful coaches have in common? They all intuitively understand that being a great coach is about being flexible and fluid. While there are many powerful coaching tools and techniques out there, it's important to know how to trust your gut on what your client needs in the moment. This is a gift that usually comes with hundreds of hours of coaching experience. But there's a smart way to hack this process. Top coaches have specific traits and techniques in common. These coaching methodologies can be discovered through observation and by working with the best of the best in the industry. The following are 5 insider secrets of successful coaches. Use these methods and mindsets to accelerate and expand your coaching skills in record time. Secret number 1. They don't sell. The best coaches in the world don't sell. Yes, they work on their marketing funnels, sales strategies, PR outreach, and all the other elements that go into building a successful coaching practice. But all of this is done with one powerful intention: to share their gifts and serve as many people as they can. That's the difference between top coaches and everyone else. They're not just out to get clients. Every time they're at an event, speaking on stage or at a retreat. Every time they're at home or out buying groceries at the neighborhood store. They're looking for ways to help. They're looking for ways to serve. They're always ready to teach, to connect, and to coach, no matter where they are and no matter who they are with. This is the secret that gets them seen, known, heard, and remembered by more and more people, including influencers and ideal clients. It's a powerful, heart-centered, generous approach that attracts a long waitlist of perfect clients and builds accelerated business growth. Secret number 2. They create real results. Coaching isn't just something you do so clients can feel good about themselves. Powerful, high-level coaching is about creating powerful, high-level results. Right from the get-go, successful coaches set clear expectations and goals with their clients. They work on creating a list of priorities and measurable results. Typically, all of this is done even before the first official coaching session takes place. Having a clear idea on expected outcomes allows the coach to go charging forward with clarity and confidence. It allows them to guide their client to hit high-priority goals. This leads to rapid, real-world results for the client and an incredible reputation for the coach. And everybody wins. Secret number 3. They don't need to be as successful as their clients. You don't have to be or have what your client dreams of to help them make those dreams a reality. Don't think that's true? Usain Bolt is the world's fastest man. His coach isn't. Ever heard of Stella Adler? She was an actress and an acting coach. She worked with Robert De Niro and Marlon Brando. They both went on to win Academy Awards. Stella never did. But that didn't make her any less of an amazing coach. Successful coaches know they can lead their students and clients to extraordinary levels of achievement without having to hit those goals themselves. And that's what makes them special. Secret number 4. They are brilliant motivators. The lack of consistent motivation is possibly the biggest and most dangerous obstacle to success. Top coaches know this and focus their energy on becoming brilliant motivators. They spend time learning about the psychology of motivation. They dive deep into action steps and techniques their clients can take to stay on track and build momentum to hit goals. If you want to take your place among the world's best coaches, learn how to become the greatest motivator you can be and you won't go wrong. Secret number 5. They value action. Coaching is essentially focused on words. It's about talking. It's about building rapport and creating an emotional connection. It's about building a great relationship with clients. But the best of the best coaches know that there is no forward movement, no achievement, no success without action. Successful coaches are obsessed with creating internal and external conditions so their clients can take strong, consistent action. They work on their client's mindset and they also put together strategies, habits and techniques so their client can take action consistently, continuously. This is how great novels are written. This is how great businesses are built. This is how mountains are climbed. One small step at a time. One small action at a time. All great coaches have one important trait in common. They're always eager to learn how to be better at what they do. So, don't stop with these 5 secrets of successful coaches. Commit to your personal growth. Continue learning, growing and up-leveling your coaching skills so you can cut through years of trial and error and emerge as a world-class coach. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more valuable content to grow your life and business with Learnomany podcast.